What's up, people? Today I'm gonna show you how to transfer your React app into Electron. So it's pretty easy and I think it will help you. First, what you need is an Electron app that we've created in this video. Okay, now if we run our Electron app, it will start an Electron app. Okay, so now we have an Electron app, so it's just basic default, no changes. What we are gonna do is import our already existing app. So now we can close this, and now we need to go to source, renderer, and here. And here are the files from React. So now what we can do is I already have this project here, so we just deleted this source code and this index. And now what we can do is copy this here and also copy this index into this folder. So now we have the important data, and there are few another things that we have to do so the app will work. So we have also this public folder that we don't need because this is a default project where we don't have any assets right now. So we don't need this. What we need is to go to package.json right here and copy all these dependencies and import it right here. I think I already have those modules here, so I won't import anything, but if you have already installed some modules that weren't default, import it right here. So now we've imported all the things, the whole source code of your app, and now we can try and run the Electron app with your already coded project. And yeah, this is the project that I made last video from, and it works. So, and this is probably the easiest way you can import your React app into an Electron desktop app.